Hey Sophie, what do you think of that?
Is that you and a car for you and Daniel?
Hey, what do you think, Daniel?
Daniel will come in it.
Yeah, Daniel can come and sit in it in a minute, eh?
Daniel can help it.
What do you think, Daniel? Whee! Driving in my car. No, it didn't beep, does it? Just saw that out. Oh, he's doing a good job of cleaning it though.
On the wheel. Right, so can we do the...
What a lovely clean car. Oh.
You did a good job though, Soph.
That's it. Whee! Concentration. Okay, I think I will.
Have we done the back?
Oh, we've got Lewis and John in the back of the car ready to go for a drive. And Sophie's a good driver, aren't you? That's where you're going, Soph. That's it. To the left. To the left. Whee! Fantastic.
Oh, to
the right. To the right. To the right. That's it. Brilliant. Well done. Up the hill. Up the hill.
Up the hill.
Whee!
Straight up. Straight up.
Yeah, try and knock me over here. This way. Whee!
Stop! Stop!
Pardon?
Stop!
Stop.
This is our home.
How's this where we live?
Oh, I see you've arrived.
Now, go back. Daniel, no.
Well done.
Oh, good manoeuvres.
Straight up. Straight up. That's it. Other way.
The proper steering. But Daniel can pretend to steer, can't you?
Daniel's just thrown John right out the back.
Maybe he thought he'd arrived at John's house.
Nina.
Daniel, where are you going?
Everything's okay.
What are you up to?
I was just checking if everything was alright.
And is everything alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are your passengers okay?
Yes.
That's good.
Oh no, don't touch that, Sophie. That's the only bit you can't touch, okay?